It's fall and you've just realized, oh no, you've outgrown your skis. How do you figure out what size you're going to need? Hint, unit conversions. Because the problem is, they only measure skis in centimeters. See? 153 centimeters. The first thing you need to do is figure out your conversion factors. We'll talk about what those are in just a minute. First, look at the difference between an inch and a centimeter. An inch is longer. In fact, 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeters. That's your conversion factor. 1 inch equals 2.54 centimeters. Because they are equal to each other, it's equal to 1. And anything you multiply by 1 stays the same. So you can use it to multiply when you're trying to convert between inches and centimeters. It won't change the amount, it will just change the units. Next thing you need to do is identify your starting and your ending units. In other words, what is it that you do know and what is it that you need to find out? You have skis that are 153 centimeters. How long is that in inches?
He's Marshy, the monster marshmallow, Marshy. The monster marshmallow, Marshy. The monster marshmallow, he's a 2 stories high.
The next thing you need to do is line up your conversion factors. Since you know you have 153 centimeters, you write that first and draw a line next to it. That line is like multiplying. Anything on the top next to it, you will multiply. Anything on the bottom, you will divide. Then you write down your conversion factor. 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeters. This is equal to 1, so it's multiplying by 1. You write the inches on top because that's what you need to find out. Next, you cancel out your units. If there's one of them on the top, you can cross it off and then cross out another one on the bottom.
He's Marshy.
The last step is to multiply and divide. You multiply all the numbers across the top and then divide by all the numbers across the bottom. This gives you an answer of 60.2 inches. How do you know you're right? Well, you check your units. You wanted to find out how long the skis were in inches, and inches is what you got. So you did it right. Good job! Yay!
You are, what's the word? It's, on the tip of my tongue. Hello?
You're so nice. You're so...
Maybe you can just use Mom's apron and a measuring spoon and your water bottle to figure it out.
Well, Hoops and Yo-Yo were walking home when they saw this critter sitting all alone, and they said, "Hey there, you look like you need a friend."
This is a very bad idea.
And they ate some candy, and everybody agreed it was a real good time.
We want coffee! We want coffee! We want...
Just use your unit conversions. It's not that bad. Little more complicated, but you can do it. Watch. This time, Your unit conversion factor is different. 1 liter equals 1.057 quarts. It's just like the inches and the centimeters, only with liters and quarts. You're also going to need to convert between liters and milliliters. 1,000 milliliters equals 1 liter. So you will use 2 conversion factors. You'll set it up and multiply the same way. Remember, line up your conversion factors. Put the units that you need to know on top and the units that you don't need to know on the bottom. Make sure everything cancels out and you end up with the units that you need. You will multiply all the numbers on the top and divide by all the numbers on the bottom. So that means there are 946 milliliters in 1 quart of milk. Wow! That was actually easier than using a tablespoon to measure it out a little bit at a time.
Tuesday treat day. Such a lovely time.